at 1.4, 1.8 in the insulation of the glass, but here it happens to be 1.6. That's where the industry is. So you make use of that. And so we didn't know those things when we designed this first building. So we said, you know, what's the best we can find in the market? We put it in, and we had cost issues coming up. So this was the first building here that we started understanding the relationship. And then the arena building was the second building where we took this further and refined it. But the big turning point, I think, is this one here.
So when you monitor the energy efficiency of all the buildings, you know, you're doing a new system with Schneider Electric. Are you showing the base like what a normal building would be in Abu Dhabi?
Yes.
And then are you, like in the new buildings, you should show more efficiency, and so people will be able to see how the newer buildings are more efficient?
Not on the diagram, but we know what the base is.
Okay.
The Urban Planning Council in Abu Dhabi did a survey back in 2010 and took the meter reading 200 buildings in Abu Dhabi. And they got a set of figures and then averaged it out. For office buildings, that average, taken straight from meter buildings, these are buildings that weren't looked after properly, they weren't facility managed properly, maybe the settings on the machine weren't that great, but that was the reality we had. For office buildings, it came up to a kind of a very high number, 333 kilowatt hours per square meter per year. The Zenith building is meter readings coming in at around 120. I know that if you're in Switzerland, you probably hit 80, but then we have 45 degrees Celsius in the summer to handle it, so it's all kind of relative.
The birds like here, the birds.
Birds love it.
And I haven't seen any birds in downtown Abu Dhabi.
Because we have cleaner air here as well.
Yes, this is a proof that it works.
Proof. If it's good enough for birds, it might be good enough for humans.
Yes.
No, this is a very valid point. The sound of birds
Yes.
makes it done anything? And you don't get it in downtown.
No,
You're
no.
right.
Didn't hear any in Abu Dhabi.
Have you done anything for the humidity to reduce the humidity? Actually, the problem here is the heat and the humidity.
The humidity, not so much the heat. The humidity is a tough one.
Yeah. Have you done anything?
The reality, there's very limited
Options.
that you can do. That's the reality if you're outside.
Probably, you're probably insulated.
Insulated, or people are talking about using outdoor
Shelling,
liquid desiccant
yes.
fountains to kind of absorb the thing. I mean, there's lots of wonderful ideas or virtual crazy ideas,
Yeah.
but research is being done, but we haven't done anything yet. I want to take you underneath the ceiling field. I want to show you one more.